Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos al capítulo número 3. El capítulo número 3 de este Life is Strange. Capítulo número 3 del episodio 1. Bueno, capítulo 1, episodio 3. A ver si me explico. De la parte 1 del juego, del capítulo 1, de la parte 3, ¿vale? Vamos a continuar. Nos quedamos por aquí. Tenemos que hablar con... Mira, Juliet está llorando, tío. ¿Qué le ha pasado?
I don't get it. How could Zach and Victoria do that?
Hi, Juliet. How are you doing?
Oh, hey, Max. Sorry, I'm still screwed up.
Vamos a ver, lo siento.
Sorry you had to find out about Zachary that way. Or anyway.
Better sooner than later. Now that skank Victoria won't be laughing behind my back anymore.
Have you talked to Zach yet?
Mr. Badass Football Hero is such a chicken shit. He said he sexted Victoria as a joke. Ha ha. I think Warren wants your attention.
He usually does. Hang in there, Juliet.
See you around, Max.
Venga, hasta luego. Bueno, a ver dónde está nuestro amigo. Habrá una rata por aquí en medio o algo, ¿no?
Max, get your ass over here.
Voy. ¿Qué? ¿Este es tu coche?
Look at Warren and his Wayback Machine. He's a brave man.
Toma, tu pen.
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem. Check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
Bueno, me quiere...
1978 to be exact.
No sé.
Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren. But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
I bet. I heard Victoria got a face full of paint. I'd pay money to see a photo of that.
No. No tengo foto de eso.
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria
¿sabes?
took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
Uy, Dios.
No, I've been way too busy with class and life.
Damn, girl, you had it like a year.
Or a week. I did browse through all the titles, Drama Queen.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
Holocausto caníbal. Vamos a ver. Yo digo que lo he visto. La he visto.
Seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
Bueno, a ver, la Faster Pussycat Kill Kill. Eso, entre comillas, me llama mucho la atención.
No, I was impressed you had Faster Pussycat Kill Kill.
Russ Meyer was a genius of black and white. Plus, babes with breasts.
Tías en
Who would
tetas,
beat your
pussy.
sensitive ass down?
If I was lucky. Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
A ver, voy a hacer una cosa, porque creo que tengo el sonido un poco bajo. Va, lo subo un pelín. A ver, necesito hablar. Venga, necesito hablar.
I need to talk to somebody, just to get it out of my system.
Dr. Warren Graham is in the house. I won't even prescribe you any meds. Tell me everything.
Te lo cuento todo.
For reals, Warren, this is between you and me, not social media.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing.
¿En serio?
Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right?
Oye, de seguridad. Ah, ¿no?
You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his
Oi.
students.
What the fuck ever. I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms.
Te ha visto.
You best tell me what you told the principal. Now. Answer me,
Le
bitch.
dije la verdad.
I told him the truth. A student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why he dragged me into his office.
And did what? Give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though. They try.
You should talk to somebody, Nathan.
Do not analyze me. I pay people for that. Worry about yourself, Max Caulfield.
Vamos a ver. Da un paso atrás, a ver si...
Take a step back, Nathan Prescott.
Oh man, you're telling me what to do?
Get away from her, dude!
Toma.
Hey, leave him alone.
Nobody tells me what to do. Not my parents, not the principal,
Stop that!
or that whore
Right
in the bathroom.
Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Go! Go! I got this!
Get in, Max!
Madre mía.
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run. Nobody. Nobody.
Mira, seguridad loco. Cabezón.
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up and dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe. After 5 years, you're still Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you. Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Yes, it's been that kind of day. So what did that freak want with you?
No tengo ni idea.
I have no idea. I know he's a Prescott.
And an asshole. Your friend really stood up for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
You're not the only one in debt. And you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
Supongo.
I guess. It was cool, but I felt kind of lonely, out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're still a smartass.
That's why I'm here.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
Vamos a decir que sí.
Of course, it's one of the best photography programs in the country. And my favorite teacher, Mark Jefferson.
So you came back to Arcadia for a teacher, not your best friend.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Oh. Lo siento.
I'm sorry. I know things were tough on you when I left.
How do you know? You weren't even here.
I didn't order my parents to move specifically to fuck you over, Chloe.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliche geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
Oh. Hemos quedado bien, amiga mía. Amiga mía, princesa de un cuento infinito. Amiga mía. Perfecto. Silencio incómodo. Venga, tengo una foto para ti. Hostia, se ha vuelto a romper.
Broken? Oh, man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
Se ha roto 2 veces.
My
Bueno,
step douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific, tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage. And he actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max.
bienvenida. Me está gustando el juego, me está gustando. No sé si a vosotros, porque claro, yo lo que es mi libito es ver lo que ocurre y hacer cosas, ¿no? Pero Life is Stranger. Esa es mi vida, en realidad. Por eso creo que a tanta gente le ha gustado. Somos todos frikis, somos frikis. Ah, no. Ay, perdón. Ay, hablo por mí. Vale, llegamos a casa.
Come on in, don't be shy.
The house still looks nice.
Home, shit, home.
Es la misma casa, ¿no? ¿O qué? Digo yo. Bueno, a ver. Todo el mundo tiene portátiles por todos lados. Ordenadores sobre mesa no tiene casi nadie. Diría yo que nadie. Y yo sí, no sé. ¿Qué pasa? Soy anticuado. Bueno, ahora encontrarás aquí muchos recuerdos.
My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it.
Bueno, algo ha cambiado.
It's cool. At least we can chill out.
This isn't exactly my chill-out zone. My step-fuhrer makes sure of that. Come in and close the door. Put on some music while I medicate.
Me fuma tu peta. Ay, hombre, pásame algo. Pásame. Ay, no, perdón. Armario, mirad.
Oh, this is a flashback to youth. Our super secret closet
La
lair.
guarida super secreta. ¿Por qué no jugamos a eso? Mirad,
Old cardboard boxes.
buscar. ¿Qué has
Dude, you
hecho?
broke my glass snow dough. Thanks.
A ver.
Damn. Chloe was kicked out of Blackwell 2 years ago. She used to be a great student. When she cared.
Bueno, la han expulsado. Malas notas.
And it reeks like dirty laundry. Gross.
Vale, no sé si... A ver, cajón. Estoy buscando delante de ella y no me dice nada, tío. Oh,
We had such a blast drawing these together.
Warner 6. Chicas poderosas. Interesante. Vale, a ver. ¿Qué más? Postal, mirar.
This postcard is from Rachel Amber.
Miss you. Te extraño. Quisiera estar aquí. Post de chachi. Regleta. Encender. Qué bonito. Póster. ¿Habrá alguna canción nuestra? Mirad.
Now, let's see what kind of music Chloe is into these days.
Madre mía, si hay cosas por aquí, tío. Cubo de basura, buscar. Tío, lo busco delante de ella y no me dice nada.
Who'd have thought Chloe wouldn't pay her parking tickets? She does love trouble.
No pago el parking, tío. Se ha vuelto malvada, tío. Se ha vuelto mala, tío. Buscar.
I think this junk swallowed her discs.
Bonito póster, ese me ha gustado. Mirad, ¿qué ves por aquí?
We used to dare each other to climb down, but never did.
Oh, ¿en serio? Usa.
She looks super happy. She looks super sad.
Happy, triste.
She looks super stoned.
Súbelo a Facebook, súbelo. Mira una caja. Oh, oh, eso es un disco nuestro. Pero ¿por qué te guardas cosas que no son tuyas, tío? Pero este juego de qué va, de robar. ¿Es la desaparecida?
Hey, give me that.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to be nosy. Obviously, she was a good friend.
It's putting it mildly.
¿Novios? ¿Novias? No sé, pregunto. No me sorprendo por nada. Vale, a ver.
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
Yeah, I put them up. She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved, I felt abandoned.
Bueno, muy amigas, entonces.
Rachel saved my
Vamos a
life.
así de momento.
Man, I had no idea.
Well, you never made much effort to find out. I was 14. We were best friends.
Vamos a decirle esto, a ver qué ocurre.
So, Rachel took my place. I'm glad she was there for you.
Rachel had my back. We were gonna kick the world's ass. You would laugh at how different we were. She wanted to be a star.
Una
She looks
estrella,
like a
ahora sí
model.
es una estrella.
That was her plan. Our plan. Get the hell out of Bigfootville and into Los Angeles.
¿Qué pasó?
So what happened? Did your folks, your mom, try to stop you?
My mom was too busy hooked up with Sergeant Shithead.
I feel the love. Now, when did Rachel actually disappear?
6 months ago. She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me.
¿Cómo lo sabes?
How do you know she disappeared? Maybe she wanted to start a totally new life.
Unlike you, she would have told me, okay? Something happened to her.
I believe you. I'm just trying to get all deductive.
Before Rachel left, she said she met somebody who changed her life. Then poof.
And you haven't heard anything from her since?
Like everybody in my life. My dad, you... And Rachel... gone. Can you put on some music now?
Sí, voy a poner música. Sí, tengo música aquí especial para ti. Que he encontrado. Música especial. ¿Te parece bien, eh? CD. Track 1. Pista 1 del CD. Bueno, no se escucha mucho porque lo tengo bajo. Espero que le haya gustado. Qué vidorra, ¿eh? Madre mía. Qué vidorra te estás pegando.
Anyway, you can find tools to fix your camera in the garage.
Chloe, are you okay?
Sure, I'm awesome. I just want to blaze and be alone for a moment.
¿Estoy durmiendo por ahí? A ver, hablar.
Can you let me chillax for a bit? Alone? The tools
Muy
are still
bien.
downstairs.
Muy bien, pesada. Ya no me quieres hablar. No me quieres.
Hard to believe Chloe was my BFF just 5 years ago.
Sí, ya no se parece nada, ¿no? ¡No, no, 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 no! Que si la cago. Bueno, vamos a ver. ¿Te gusta la música, eh? Bueno, vamos a bajar. ¿Quién anda por ahí? Foto. Mirar. Tengo que bajar al garaje, pero bueno, libros, ventana, mirar. ¿Qué hay aquí? Puerta, abrir. Estoy investigando en su casa, pero ¿esto qué es, tío? La habitación de su madre. ¿Qué pasa?
This
¡Oh!
must be Chloe's parents' room. Man, I am nosy today.
¿Lo habéis visto? ¿Qué ha pasado ahí? Pájaro. ¿Sabéis qué indica la muerte cuando se choca un pájaro en la
Oh
ventana?
shit! Poor thing. I bet I could do something to save it.
Vale, va. Es que si muere... ¿Sabéis que los pájaros muertos indican la muerte? Yo creo que se caga dentro, ¿o qué?
You've been resurrected, Birdie. Fly, be free.
Vale, he venido aquí solo para salvar la vida. ¿Yo qué hago aquí metido?
Dog tags. Sweet. David Madsen.
Muy bien, David. Mirar.
Oh my. Chloe made this for Joyce on Mother's Day years ago. I see why she would keep it.
Abrir.
Joyce still works at the diner. Is her husband a cop? Poor Chloe.
A ver si va a ser de seguridad, tío. Mirar.
Uh-oh. The prices are late on their bills.
¿A los pres? ¿Entonces deben dinero a todo el mundo? ¿Son todos pobres o qué pasa? Volvamos. Mirar, mirar, foto, mirar, foto.
Joyce looks happy.
¡Ey!
Chloe's stepdad might not be a douchebag after all.
Pero el padrastro es de seguridad. Volver. ¿No? Me parece a mí. Voy a apagar la luz, igual después hay consecuencias. El policía has entrado porque has encendido la luz. Revista, cajón. Mira, revista.
Joyce always loved her mail order catalogs of useless crap.
Abrir.
Aww. Joyce has a little shrine to William. Her new husband may not be such a douche.
De su antiguo marido. O no sé. Venga, ¿cuándo iban a tener la otra? ¿Cuándo está embarazada? Bueno, va. Me van a pillar, ya verás. Tío, ¿no hay nadie en casa? Aquí nada. No, si no hay nada ahí detrás de la puerta. Yo lo puedo ver yo tranquilamente. Míralo. ¿Qué hay ahí? Campo otra vez. Una parcela de naranjos. Pero no hay nada más, tío. ¿Y aquí? No. Vamos al baño. ¿Por qué ahora hay luz? Ah, interruptor. Id al baño, es que me encontraba mal. Mirar.
This is definitely Joyce's makeup. Chloe wouldn't use animal products.
Vamos a ver el cajón, abrir.
I hope Chloe isn't taking these pills.
Perfecto. ¿Está drogando o no, verdad? Sí.
I like Chloe's new hair color. She's the opposite of shy. Of me.
¿Te tintas el pelo con esto? ¿En serio? ¿Te lo pones y ya está? ¿Es como un gel? Fui al baño y me dejé la luz encendida. Como sé que debes dinero. Venga, vamos. Vamos al garaje. He investigado vuestra casa. La gorra está. Seguridad. Ya sabes quién es. Ese es seguridad, tío.
Doesn't look like the Price family is rolling in dough these days.
Que sí, que falta dinero. A ver, ¿esta puerta dónde lleva? No lo sé. Fotos, mirad.
Now this is the Chloe I remember. Always smiling and laughing. Not so much anymore.
Esto cuando iba todo bien, ¿no? Esa es su... Kate. Más, gracias de nuevo por ayudarme. No te preocupes, ese tipo es un idiota. Estoy en su casa. ¿Entendés?
I haven't seen this place in 5 years. Seems like forever. Joy still works at Two Whales Diner. Best damn burgers in Arcadia. I better get one soon.
Money, money. Si te quieres con el... Bueno, a ver. No veo nada interesante por aquí. Puerta. Vale. ¿Qué es esto? Mirad, se ha meado alguien.
Hey, I remember that stain. Chloe and I knocked over Joyce's wine bottle and we scrubbed forever, but it never came out. We got so busted.
Bueno, veo que no limpian desde entonces. Ese router. Bueno, que no limpian. Bueno, siéntate, mirad, sentarse. Son recuerdos para ella, chicos. Son recuerdos. Es como volver a 5 años atrás. Ojalá volviera yo 5 años atrás también.
Hold on, and I'm not chicken.
Prove it. You drink first, Max.
No way. It was your idea, Chloe.
Whatever. Give me that bottle.
La botella.
Well,
Tasty. Very tasty.
here, I want a sip.
Sorry, this is not for kids.
Don't be greedy. Give me some. Oh shit, the carpet.
Oh, la alfombra.
There's wine all over. What do we do now?
La bebemos la
My
alfombra.
parents are coming. Cover it up.
Escóndete, corre. 5 años no ha podido llevar la alfombra a una tintorería ni nada, ¿no? Pregunto. Qué buenos recuerdos, ¿eh? Qué vidorra te pegabas. Venga, va. Levántate, hombre. Life is a stranger. ¿Más manchas? Tío, pero esta casa ¿qué es? Oh, de leña, tío. Tarro. Mirad. Para un
I'd
viaje.
love to go to Paris too. At this rate, they'll be lucky to get to Portland. I should be able to find the tools I need here.
Bueno, ya hemos llegado aquí. Me he saltado sitios, ¿no? Bueno, da igual. ¿Qué es eso? Self.
Nothing. This is so lame.
Me ponía self ahí, ¿no? Bueno. Herramientas, buscar.
These are way too big. I need tiny tools for that camera.
Vale, vamos a ver. ¿Y esto? ¿Qué es esto? No deja ver eso. Armario. Abrir. Otra tele, madre mía, está en la casa de las teles, tío. Esta acción tendrá consecuencias, tío. Por mirar la tele.
What the? Chloe's stepdad actually installed cameras in the rooms?
Hostia, tiene...
For reals? This guy has serious trust issues. Do Chloe and Joyce even know about this?
Yo creo que sí. Ciérralo. ¿Qué es esto?
Wowzer, a map of Blackwell Academy. I wonder why.
Hostia. Cierra el armario, que creo que va a ser la mejor idea. Que no lo vean abierto. Vale. Money. Mirar. Uy, Diana, mirar.
Yes, score.
Sí, bingo han hecho. Bingo. Encender. Mirar. Tío, armas. Falta un arma.
One of these guns is missing. I hope Chloe's stepdad isn't packing heat.
Perfecto, abrir.
Chloe's stepdad is a veteran and a security guard? He must really hate her.
Oh, qué pintaza tiene ahí, tío. Madre mía. Aquí está muy perjudicado, la verdad. Pero aquí... ¡Hostia! ¡Hostia, tío! Pintaza de macho alfa. Mata personas.
Chloe's stepdad is head of security at Blackwell.
Hombre, ¿te
He
das
wants
cuenta
to
ahora?
put surveillance cameras all over the school? How paranoid can you get?
Pues porque fue la guerra, tío. La guerra te hace así. Sofá, me marca el sofá que está tomado por saco. Bueno, a ver, necesito armas. Espérate, que el portátil me va...
No password. Like it would help me find tools anyway.
Bueno, pues nada, password no tienes. Vale, vamos a ver. Mirar, buscar, buscar.
Shit!
¡No!
Butterfingers.
¡No! Mira, vamos a mirar primero.
Kate Marsh? Why the hell would he have pictures of her? Okay, this is getting totally weird.
Ah, es de esta tía. Bueno, nosotros ya lo hemos visto. Lo que hay ahí. Así que vamos, para atrás. ¿Me puedo limpiar el suelo? Si lo vuelvo a hacer, ¿se volverá a caer? A ver, archivos. Mirar, buscar, mirar.
I don't want to look at these creepy photos again. Why does David have them?
No lo sé. Comida. Bueno, sabemos que le sigue y le hace fotos. Pero necesito herramientas. Me ha dicho que... Ah. Mira lo que estoy haciendo. Mirar.
Boom, precision screwdrivers. Except I can't reach them.
¿Cómo los cojo? ¿En serio se va a caer? Madre mía, tío.
That was very smart, dumbass. No can reach.
¿Ha dicho para el idiota no llego? ¿En serio? Vamos a ver.
Man, I should have done that before they fell.
Vale, vale, entendí. Más atrás. Más. ¡Más para atrás! Ahí. Vale, empujar. Vale, encender. Apagar. Y coger. Estirar.
Yes, you have mad skills, Max.
Ahí está, ¿y ahora qué? Tengo las herramientas, ¿tengo que volver arriba? No. Lo he encendido. Me ha gustado dejarlo. Te estoy haciendo la colada, chicos. Abrir, aquí he abierto antes. No
Nope, someone locked it from the other side.
sé. Vale. Dios, casi me parto la cabeza. Sí. Venga, estamos llegando ya al final. Vamos a ver. ¿Le digo todo eso a la chica? A nuestra amiga. La habitación es grande, aunque está desastrada. Herramientas.
You found the tools. Sweet. You can sit at my desk and fix your camera.
Vale, perfecto. ¿En serio puedo arreglarla? Si solo estás clavando así. ¿Qué te ocurre, chica? ¿Qué te ocurre?
So,
No funciona internet.
are these your new photos?
Yeah, I just took them today.
Let me see. Wait, I've seen this before. No way. When did you take this? You took this photo, you brat? In the bathroom today. You set off the alarm. That's why Nathan raged after you.
Sí,
It
bingo.
totally makes sense. You
Bingo.
had to save my life.
Bingo.
Now tell me the truth, Max.
Dile la verdad, hombre, que somos amigas. Estaba allí.
I was there, hiding in the corner.
Damn, you're a ninja.
A ninja would have cut Nathan's head off. I just took a butterfly photo.
That is so badass.
Oh yeah, I almost wet myself when I saw the gun.
So, did you recognize me?
No estaba segura.
I wasn't sure.
I know I look a lot different.
I was scared, too. I couldn't see straight.
I don't blame you, Max.
Like you said, it's been that kind of day.
So you must have overheard our conversation.
Dile que sí, solo un poco.
Just a bit.
There's no way you didn't hear every single vowel.
Okay, I only heard something about money, drugs, but that's it.
Now for the big question. Did you tell anybody?
¿Como quién?
Like who?
Like anybody. Stop stalling, sister.
The principal. But he didn't seem to believe me.
The principal? Are you still 12? That drunk jackass only cares about cash for Blackwell Academy. Don't trust him.
Vale.
I didn't mention you at all. Swear.
Thank God. I'll tell you more someday. And I seriously owe you, Max.
Muy bien. Venga, Max. Max Payne. ¿Qué buscas? ¿Qué me vas a dar? Una cámara antigua.
I, know it was your birthday last month.
Toma.
This
una
was my
cámara.
real father's camera. I want you to have it.
That's so cool you remembered my birthday. But I can't take this.
Of course you can. My dad would be pissed if I never used it, and now I know it'll be used awesomely. And I'll snag this picture as a symbol of our reunion. Cool?
Yes, of course it's cool. Thank you. This camera
De
is
nada.
so sweet.
Now that we get that mushy shit out of the way, I feel like stage diving. Let's thrash this place.
You're crazy.
Yep, I'm
Bueno, la
fucking
música
insane
está
in the
un poco
brain.
baja, pero
Let's
bueno.
dance! Shake that bony white ass. Or take my picture with your new camera.
Madre mía. Venga, dale una foto. Pero...
This day couldn't get any stranger.
A ver cómo ha salido. La foto.
This song fucking rules. Can't dance, hippie? Come on. Rock out, girl. Yes! Break it down, Max.
Sí, está súper liberada.
Chloe, are you up there?
Yo,
Adiós,
turn it
adiós,
off, turn it
adiós.
off!
How many times have I told you to stop blasting that punk shit?
Dude, the music's not even on! Asshole.
I'm coming up. We need to talk.
Oh, no
Dios.
fucking way. You need to hide now. My stepdad will kill me if he finds you here.
Chloe, what's going on? Open this door, please.
Chill, I'm changing. Is that okay?
Max,
Escóndete.
find a place to hide now.
Chloe,
I'm
what are
coming.
you doing? Chloe, you're stalling.
I'm not a kid
I'm
anymore. I
changing.
can't
Give
hide
me a
under the
minute.
bed. Where else?
Smart. Just let me in.
Bueno, pues aquí,
Now.
escondite secreto.
Please.
1 second. My
No.
bra is stuck.
I'm not screwing around, soldier. Chloe, open this door.
Bueno, vamos a ver. Ahí va.
Chloe,
I'm
what are you
coming.
doing?
A ver.
Chloe, you're stalling.
I'm changing. Give me a minute.
Don't
Vale,
get
esconderse.
smart. Just let me in.
Ahora sí.
Now. Please.
1 second. My bra is stuck.
I'm not screwing around.
Shit.
What's going on in here?
Jesus, I'm just trying on clothes. You're so friggin' paranoid.
Yeah, combat will do that to you.
Esos tirantes me gustan así.
One of my guns is missing. Did you take it?
Oh God, I didn't take your stupid gun. You do know I believe in gun control?
Wait, is that grass? You been toking up again in here?
Oh yeah,
Hombre, ¿no
guns,
huele?
weed. You were tripping balls.
I'm sick of your disrespect. Tell me the truth. That's an order. Whose is it?
Uy.
Stop treating me and my mom like we're your family platoon.
Hey, leave Joyce out of this.
I wish you'd leave, Joyce. Like now.
Toma.
Chloe, I'm sorry. I care about your mother, and you just keep pushing me.
Don't touch me again, asshole. That's the last time. Or I'll bring the cops in here so
No puedo volver para
fast.
atrás.
You're not that dumb.
I'd be smart to have you busted.
Chloe, someday you'll grow up.
Hey, you okay?
Welcome to the real step douches of Arcadia Bay.
I'm sorry.
For what? He would have been a bigger dick if he caught you in here.
That's hard to believe.
Menos mal.
Anyway, let's sneak out the window. There is one cool place we can go to in this hick hole.
David was such a mean bastard to Chloe. What if I had stepped up to help?
Es que si le ayudo... Estoy en un dilema. Si le ayudo... Igual sabe que estoy yo. O sea, que pasemos. Pasando. Sabe que estoy yo, ya me conoce, mi vigila. Pasando. Ya que solo lo ha pegado una vez. La ha jodido, es un hijo de puta, pero bueno. Pero bueno, ella misma ha dicho, mejor que no te hubiera descubierto. O sea que... El faro. Y creo que lo vamos a dejar aquí. ¿Qué me quieres enseñar? Un ciervo. Life is a stranger.
I haven't been here in forever. So why do I feel like I was just here?
Por el sueño.
Whoa. This is the exact same path I was on during my nightmare today.
Perfecto. Vamos a sacarlo aquí. Volver a menú principal. Confirmar. Bueno, vamos a dejarlo aquí. Life is Stranger. Espero que os esté gustando. Supongo yo que en el segundo canal no habrá muchas reproducciones, pero bueno, gracias a la gente que por lo menos se pasa. Y muchas gracias, en serio. Nos vemos próximos vídeos aquí en el segundo canal, el canal V2. Venga, nos vemos. Chao amigos. Oh yeah.